She found the tilapia.
Yeah, you can totally see them. So the biggest are about like that size.
How come you don't use my ramp that I made, Go?
Oh, did she skip it?
She jumped right over it.
She went over here.
She doesn't need the ramp. Yeah, her mastitis is gone. We're good to go. Ew, look at this bug. Ew, look at this bug, Liddy. Is this a grasshopper?
Yeah, that's some kind of grasshopper.
That's weird.
It's cool, like sticks its legs up to its mouth.
It's gonna hop right into the milk.
He's like curious about what the camera is
It's
actually.
gonna hop right on it.
No, it's way over here. Way over here.
It did try to hop on it.
It's look, it's on the hose right there. Dad, don't.
No.
Got him.
No, I'm not gonna. It wants to hop on the camera. I'm not gonna bring the camera.
Hey, Dad.
Oh yeah, that's just a little katydid. Why? They eat aphids.
Wow.
They eat aphids.
Well, put it
Do they really?
Yeah, they
Go
eat
put it in my garden then.
There's some.
Okay, honey, before it jumps off, go put it in my garden.
Okay, eat all the aphids in the garden.
Willow! Willow! Go on the stump. Where's your stump? Da da da! Every time. She goes and says hi to Tilly. She goes right up to her and sniffs Tilly. I think her and Tilly would be really good friends if Tilly would just chill out a little bit. Alright, so how is Tilly's leg doing? Well guys, she's still limping. That said to expect limping for a while because that joint needs lots of rehab. But the best rehab is just to have her walk around. If you let Tilly out, she might even still try to run. Aw, be nice to Willow. Tilly's like, what? Oh my gosh, that was pathetic. You guys should be friends. It's okay, Willow, you can go be friends with her. She runs around. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. She knows her escape route. It's okay, Willow. You can go be friends with her. Yeah, I think the more Tilly is let out, once we get that fence fixed and she can be out in the area, she'll walk a lot more and get it all stretched out.
Yeah,
She found the tilapia.
Yeah, you can totally see them. Except they're not as big as the goldfish yet, but they're pretty big.
So show how big they are.
So the biggest are about like that size. They're actually not that big.
Okay.
And then there's some that are like, they vary from size. It's interesting.
Okay.
Yeah.
But they like to swim at the very bottom, we've noticed.
Well, no, sometimes they go around.
we have two ways that we keep the birds away from our fish. The first thing is we built 2 fish caves, so the fish have a place to go when a bird comes around, specifically those blue herons. Also, we built the pond close to the house, so hopefully all the activity of us coming in and out and the dogs around here will keep those blue herons away from eating our fish. And so far, we're 99.9% sure none of the fish have been taken. So, oh, I forgot to mention, yesterday, the funniest thing happened. We are trying to make some shirts so that you guys can get some cool merchandise. So we've been making up a couple different designs, and one of the designs is Willow on the stump. So we spent about 20 minutes trying to get Willow to sit on the stump, and one time we wanted her to actually just stand on the stump like she always does every morning. All she wanted to do was leap off of it and run over it and jump over it. So I'm gonna show you a little clip of that to end this vlog. I'm sure you guys will like it. It's me and Kevin being really frustrated because Willow refused to stand on her beloved stump. Oh my gosh, that was so perfect, and I was in the picture. She keeps jumping off of it. I was kind of, no, stop. I was kind of hoping that she'd like stand up, look up. Okay. Oh yeah, it's got her. Okay. That's good, that's good, that's good. Well, bring it down more. Oh. Get out of the picture, you're in the picture. Just stay out of the picture right now. This, don't. Stay there. She turns around, this is perfect. Okay, jump off. That was a little bit better. We are still finishing some garden work over here, so we'll have a little update for you soon. And I think that's it. Tilly's doing good, Doris is doing good, Willow's doing good. All right guys, that is it for tonight. Thanks for joining us, and we will see you in a few days. Bye.